Santa Cruz County investors, this is the off-market opportunity you've been waiting for. With a strong history of rental income, set up for potentially multi-generational living, a sizable lot with long-term potential, and an incredible location, this property holds something for every type of investor. Formerly a bed and breakfast, fondly named the Adobe on Green, paying homage to this home's incredible style and character, this listing features 6 beds, 6 baths, all with exterior access, and this home features a strong history of student rental income. Perched above downtown Santa Cruz, you are just steps away from its incredible dining and shops, while also having ease of access for commute, close to Santa Cruz's incredible beaches and the university. With a parcel size just under half an acre, an investor can see long-term potential. Some added bonuses are the bountiful community garden, incredible entertainment spaces throughout the lot, and energy-saving features. An off-market opportunity like this, with this kind of potential, does not come up often. If you'd like more information, give us a call today.